Hi, and welcome to my video. I will show you how to get started with the crypto exchange Coinbase. You'll find out how to create an account, make a deposit in your local currency and safely purchase your first Bitcoin. Coinbase is an online marketplace where you can trade money like dollars, euros or pounds for digital currencies such as Bitcoin. It's really just like a traditional exchange, where you can exchange foreign currencies. I will make it as easy as possible to sign up, but before you continue, I want to remind you that when you use my unique Coinbase link in the description box below this video, you'll get $10 worth in free Bitcoin whenever you spend $100 on cryptocurrency. Once you click this link, you will be taken to this invitation page. The process is simple. Just put in your first and last name, your email address and create a strong password. The password needs to contain 8 characters, with 1 capital letter, 1 number and 1 special character. When done, click the check mark to agree to the user agreement and hit the button to create your account. Click the GDPR agreement button, and allow Coinbase to send you updates by email. Complete the captcha page, and verify the email. Next, enter your phone number to receive a SMS verification code, which you will need every time you log into your account. You can also choose to set up two-factor authentication instead, which I highly recommend, as it's even more safe. The SMS code will arrive in a few minutes, depending on how busy the servers are. Once the SMS code arrives, you put the code in this field and move on to the next step. Now, you need to verify your identity. Coinbase is a regulated financial portal and you do need to give them all these details. You can verify your identity with a passport or driver's license by uploading a photo of the document. Once done, you need a proof of address. This can be a picture of a bank statement or an electricity or gas bill. Once you've submitted your personal documents, it can take a day or two to get full access to your account, depending on how things are going at the exchange. Now, I will log into my own account to show you how you can buy your first Bitcoin or other crypto. This is the dashboard that shows up when you log in. You will see your portfolio balance and the prices of different coins that you can buy, sell or trade. I already have my bank account linked to the exchange, but you will need to do this first, before you can buy crypto. Complete your account and add your credit or debit card. When you have added a payment option, you can buy any crypto that is available. If you plan to trade, you will want to buy at the lowest price and sell the top. However, I do not recommend trading on Coinbase, because the fees can add up quickly if you sell and buy on a regular basis. If you are going to trade a lot, you should use a crypto exchange like Binance where the trading fees are much lower. You can find a special sign-up link to open an account on Binance in the description box below this video. If you use that link, you will get a 10% discount on all your trading fees, so check it out. There are 2 options to buy or sell crypto. But since you don't have any crypto yet, you're going to go with the buy option. You can choose the currency from the list by clicking on the name. You can select to make a one-time purchase, or a repeated purchase every day, week or month. On the next screen, you see the price of the cryptocurrency, the purchase price, and the Coinbase fee. Keep in mind these rates are displayed in euros, and not American dollars as I am in Europe. Once your order has gone through, you will receive your first crypto money in your secure wallet. If you want to ever sell your crypto, just select the sell button, and follow the process. You can now send Bitcoin to anyone with a Bitcoin wallet. Click the send button, fill in the amount of money that you want to send, put in an email address, add a note, and you're done. Receiving Bitcoin is even easier. Click this link, copy your public address by clicking here, and send this address to the person that needs to make the payment. You can also use this QR code to let the payer make the payment. With a QR code, the Bitcoin address is turned into a unique barcode, and the receiver simply needs to scan the code with their smartphone to initiate a transaction. If you want to invest in crypto on a regular basis, you can set up a recurring purchase. Click here and follow the instructions. That's it. You now have a real crypto account, where you can buy, sell, transfer and trade cryptocurrencies. You can also earn free crypto with Coinbase Earn. If you are interested in earning free crypto tokens by watching short videos and answering simple questions, click this link. If you want to see how it works in detail, I have created a video on how to do this step by step. I will leave a link to the video in the description box below. Don't forget to use the special Coinbase link in the description box to open a new account and receive your $10 in Bitcoin. If you have any questions, or have something to add, please leave a note in the comment section below. If you are new to crypto, I highly recommend you to read my quick start guide to profit from cryptocurrencies. It's free to download, and contains useful tips to make money by trading crypto. You can get my ebook by using the download link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell.